Alright, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you guys and we are always smiling. So if you guys watched the first part of the 48-hour solo camping series, you guys might remember one of the first things I found, which was some guavas. So I want to cook up something for you guys really quick, and I think fruit is very nice to have with your breakfast. Oh, I'm gonna head up to the falls, which is the Fallen Edge Falls. If you guys don't know how to get there, I did do a video just now. It's a video before this one, so you guys can find that and you guys will know exactly where I went to go cook this breakfast. All right, let's do it. All right, this tree is so filled with these things. Oh, there goes a nice one up there that I can get. All right, so this is number 2. I think you can get one more and then we should be good. I don't remember what they said about low-hanging fruit, if it's a good thing or a bad thing, but today, definitely a good thing. All right, I knew I said I'm only gonna take one, but these are really sweet and I love them. All right. Alright, so as I had said in a couple of videos that I do small token pieces for every one of my travels that I've taken. So I'll do something up really nice. I'm not doing a lot of them. So if you do want one, drop it in the comments and say I want one of those memorabilias. I am not doing a lot, so drop it in the comments. And hopefully, I'll just pick a random person at some point and I'll ship it off to you. If you're in the US, you'll definitely get one. In England, I think the borders are closed because of the coronavirus at the moment of me filming this video, and also Canada, but if you're in the US, you're in luck. I've had my breakfast. Let me tell you, it was really, really good. Those eggs are something else. Like, they surprised me. And of course, love guava. Nice vitamin C's you're getting there. So what I'm gonna do, well, actually right now, the time is, my watch is on theater mode. It is now 5 minutes after 12 o'clock. So we are in Kingston, Jamaica, so it's 12:30. I think I started this challenge somewhere about 11. I might end up leaving here at 1 o'clock because I'm gonna take a nice little shower real quick, enjoy the environment, enjoy the vibe that is here to be offered, and then I'm gonna have my tea right after that. But anyway, let's go take a shower. Let me tell you, the water is freaking cold. Guys, I got this bug spray here. I came here with this full bottle. Look at it now. The amount of times I went in the water, got it washed off, had to reapply. You need the bug spray. Alright guys, so we successfully had our tea. I remember someone made a comment, like, how do you successfully have your tea? By actually drinking it. You guys might not realize, but every single thing that you achieve out here is like a big thing. Even keeping a stove going, lighting a fire, or getting something to eat, especially when you're not in modern day technology and stuff, yo, it's something that I'm extremely grateful for. And what I'm extremely grateful for as well is like all the patrons. You guys helped to co-produce this video. Yo, your donations mean a lot. And I'm gonna drop in the end as well the persons who did make any form of PayPal or a CASHAPP donation recently. I'll drop in the end of the video because you guys are plugged and you guys helped me to chase a dream. Yo, this is a lifestyle, and you know, any artistic lifestyle is not the easiest. So I just want to say thank you guys. And for the persons who watch the videos, always drop your like and always are shouting Soai excited, Team Soai. I honestly don't think you guys will understand, yo, like, you know, having like a big support system like you guys, persons who just like, yeah. But anyway, I'm gonna miss this place, so I'm gonna pack my bag and get ready to leave here. And I'll catch you guys on the next adventure, man. Remember these two things: love, nature, adaptation. Welcome to me. piece of KFC chicken, 3 biscuits, coleslaw, 2 fries, 2 sodas. I had to after that challenge. KFC in Jamaica, best taste.